Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is Sunday, March 20, 2022. We are going to talk about the market view for tomorrow when the market opens after an extended weekend. That's Monday, March 21 if I am correct. Now the market has been roaring on the upside. We have been talking about how we should be positioned only on the long side of the market. The market broke a significant resistance level around 16,800. Once that was done, and that was done with a large gap up, there was no looking back. So now it's not easy for me to say the market will go here or here. It's much easier to say be long. Until and unless the market throws us out of this long position, we want to be on the long side of the market. Now what about tomorrow? Again, we'll divide this quickly into two parts, tomorrow and a slightly longer view. What about tomorrow? If there is a gap up, as the SGX was suggesting on Friday, and tomorrow morning can be anything because so many other factors will influence us, but if there is a gap up, then we have no option but to follow the gap and look for an opportunity to go long inside the market trading day, which means you don't run after the gap, you wait patiently, you look at a consolidation, look at a dip, and then look to buy the Nifty. Now remember that you must have a tight stop because at some point this rally will pause, maybe it will enter into a consolidation. So keep a tight 100-point stop, and if you think the market is going in your favor, raise your stops quickly. But for short-term traders who don't have a position and who are going to take a position tomorrow, there is only one trade. If there is a gap up, if there is a gap down, doesn't matter what happens, be on the long side of the market. What's the exit level? Now Friday's low was 17,175 for the cash Nifty. I am treating that as the exit level. If the Nifty falls below that number, it tells us that the low is being broken. Although it's only a one-day low, still it's there. There is some message. So I would get out of my long positions, then see what I can do, whether I want to re-enter. That depends on how the market behaves. But that is my fail-safe stop loss for the day trade, for the starting day trade, for swing trades, which is what I normally do. But the trade remains, look for an opportunity to enter the long side of the market, and as I told you, my final stop loss is 17,175, but the actual stop loss could be much higher because I am not looking at giving up more than 100 points from my entry price, and that could be more than 17,175. So this is the trade. Enjoy yourself, and as you know, this is my view, but the markets can do something quite opposite. So be willing to adapt, be willing to change your view if the market says and gives a different message. We'll meet again. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.